With us moving more and more into a digital world, are open houses even worth it anymore? We're going to discuss open houses, what they mean, what does the future of open houses look like, and much more right after this. Hey, my name is Chamberlain. I'm part of the Chamberlain Real Estate Group here in Calgary, Alberta, and today we are talking about open houses. Are they worth it? COVID has changed a lot of our buying habits, what we are able, not able to do. It's reality, right? And with our world being so digital, are open houses even worth it right now? Now, I want to talk about a few things with that because our buying habits have changed. We have become more comfortable with researching, looking up information, and trusting online sources than I think as a society or as a culture or as a city we ever have. We're more comfortable with that. And so as we move into and further away from kind of this end of COVID, as things move along in 2021, 22, 23, where we're headed, are open houses going to be worth it? The truthful answer is I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen in the coming years, but I do know this. Digital is here. People's comfort with digital is here. And so you have to lean into that. Open houses are disruptive. Open houses can cause a lot of time away from the house, big blocks of time that you just got to be gone. We're an agent's there. And honestly, in every real estate course or training that I've ever seen, open houses are a way that they teach us as agents to get more clients. It's one of those ways. I can maybe count on one hand 3 at most that I can think on the top of my head right now out of the thousands of homes that our team has sold over the years that actually sold because if someone saw it at an open house, showed up for the open house, not because they saw it, they were planning on it, and then an open house was happening, so they just went and looked at it instead of a showing. That's different. But someone who just happened by an open house and wanted to go do it, but they could have set up a showing anyways, it's a little bit different. So I can only count of maybe 2 or 3 situations that I've actually heard of where people actually bought the house because they saw it at the open house. So what do we need to do? Living in a digital world, what are the other options? There are many, many options that we have to consider. And being digital, this is one of those big factors. And so what I want to share is we have another video where it talks about how you have to sell your home 3 times. And that is a great video for you to review and understand because in that video we talk about, people got to see your home online. And that's the first time that people will buy your house. You got to sell it to them online first. And a lot of times that is through different types of media. And so what the industry, I guess, and what COVID has done to us is we've shifted to more of this virtual tour, virtual open house, virtual showings. And as good as that is, you still need to get in and feel and touch and see the home, walk around it, all that good stuff. But at the end of the day, you still are going to start your search online. So I say, give them everything that you possibly can and more online first, so then they fall in love with it, and then they're really excited about coming and seeing the home after that. So there's many, many ideas, many ways we could do this. So they're from professional photos to doing professional videos on the home, to drone videos. There's Matterport tours. So I personally have found, as I'm looking at homes online through this time period right now, those 3D Matterport type tours are really, really valuable. It allows me, even just on my phone or a buyer on their phone, to actually kind of scoot through the house and virtually, turn around, look around, all that kind of stuff. And to me, that is actually really, really good. And so I would encourage that if you have an agent and you're planning on selling, to look at that as an option, because that can really replace open houses, I would say, these days. And the last one, I think I said virtual open houses, but that's also a great thing. Going live and shooting a video And then the key to going live, so if you're an agent and you're watching, the key to going live is knowing how to push that video further. Your live views most likely are going to be, depending on how big the page that you're sharing the video on, I mean, it could be 5, 10, 15, maybe even 50. But how do you get it up to the thousands? We've had some of our virtual tours hit up, multiple thousands, 7,000 type views. So how do you get it to that level? Well, there's tricks and tips that you gotta just do, sharing, pushing, all these kind of things behind the scenes. But as a seller, if you want someone on your side that knows how to do that stuff, give us a call. We have been very forward thinking through all of the changes that have been happening. And man, we're going digital. We are digital. We are here digitally talking to you right now. And so I would encourage you that if you have questions about this, if you're thinking of selling and you want us to come in and give you second opinions, third opinions, help you understand the market, the value of your home, the process, talk about open houses, all that good stuff, hit us up. 587-316-5400 is our main number, and info@chamberlaingroup.ca is our main email. And our team is here to help you whenever it is that you need us. So on that note, I'm out of here. But at the end of the day, are open houses worth it? They are, if we're allowed. But in the meantime, digital. That is super, super important. So I'm out, and we'll talk to you guys later. If you're still watching this video, I want to thank you so much. And just for that, here are some other great videos that you can click through, a playlist about our wholesalers, guides and videos of how to sell your home better. And I hope we can help. If you have any questions, always reach out to us at 587-316-5400 at the office or info@chamberlaingroup.ca, and we'll be able to help you guys as soon as we can. Have a great day.